Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about first date function, how it is working. We are going to see in today's video. So before going to that, please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking in today's video. Let's go to the Power BI Desk tab. There we can understand the demo. So for time being, I have prepared already report for this demo purpose. Okay, let's try to understand step by step what I have done. So before going to the details of this report, let me explain. So what are the tables I have imported from the Excel? So here I have imported category and customer table, sales territory, dim date, as well as fact internet sales, geography, product subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. Now go to the model tab. So here we can understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimensions and fact tables. Okay, just scroll it. Okay, so if you see here in sales territory as well as fact internet sales, we have established one-to-many relationship. So these are the dimension tables, these are fact table. So relation data filter propagation has been traversing from one direction to the many direction. Okay, likewise I have established a relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. Now go to the report tab. Here I'm going to explain what I have done for creating this report. So if you look at here, so this is the matrix usual. So in this I have year value as well as month, and also total sales and first date sales and what is the date of that sale. So same thing here. So year value as well as month and total sales, what is the first non-blank sales and a first non-blank date. So first I will explain this one and later I will come to this. So already I have created measures for all these values for total sales and first date. Let me explain total sales. So this is the measure I have created for getting the total sales. So initially I'm checking if the value is a blank, will try to show the blank. If it is not, then I'll try to fetch the total sales. Okay, now we'll try to find the first date sales. So what do you mean? That means, so what are the, in this current context, in July month, what is the first date sales? Okay, in July month, what is the first date sales? So we'll go to July month. There we can see what is the value for that. We'll go to July month, first day. So some 5.56, right? So 5.56. So same thing we are displaying here, 5.56. And what is the date of that? So 7/1/2001. In August month, what is the first date sales? 8.70. So go to the August month, and first day. So 8.7. So in August month 8.7. So it's coming fine. So always try to understand. So in this current context, first date is 7/1 July 1st 2001. In this context, September 1 2001. But when it comes to here, this context, it's 2002, not 2001, because after the year we are looking to the January month and the context has been changed. And also if we look at year level, so you will not get the first value because the first date of the 2001 year is 1101, but we don't have any sales for this value, so that is the reason we are getting the blank value. Okay, so to avoid this kind of problems, so we have another function like a first non-blank. So based on that we'll get the value. So I'll try to show what is that. So here also, but when I expand at a month level, you will see same kind of value. There is no difference at all. 5.56, 5.56, 8.70, 8.70. So but when it comes to year level, now we will get 5.56, because so it is checking what is the non-blank value within that context. For example, here non-blank value is the 7th month of first. Okay, so that value is 5.56, but when it comes to first date, it will check the first date of this to year. So in 2001, what is the first date? 1/1/2001. But when it comes to first non-blank, means it will check for this, in this context, what is the non-blank first value. So non-blank first value is 7/1/2001. That's why it's giving the value. Okay, now we'll do some demo, like we'll try to uh, change the value and we'll see demo whether it's working or not. So for that, I'll try to open the Power Query editor. There I will change some values. So go to the fact internet sales here. So we'll try to remove the sales for the first of July. Okay, so click on the, for the 1st of July, we'll try to replace to the 2nd July. So for this demo purpose, I am doing like this, so that will get will understand whether it's working or not. Okay, let's try to close and apply. Now we'll get the blank value, because just now we have removed the sales for the 1st of July month, right? So 5.56, but we'll get here we'll get blank value. Let's keep on loading query changes, because just now we have replaced some dates, so that is it, it's checking. Now we can see, right? So for the July month there is no value, because so it will check for the 1st of July, but we don't have any sales on that day, so that is the reason we will get the blank value. But when it comes to here, it will check for the, so what is the July month, the non-blank value. So we have the sales for the 2nd July, so that is the reason we are getting the 9.39. so I will try to show this value how it is coming and all. 9.39. so July month, so here we need to take the 1st and 2nd. So 9.3, right? It's getting 9.39. so might will get a question, why I had to take a 1st and 2nd? Because in Power Query editor I have changed the so 1st July into 2nd July, so that is the reason we need to take the two dates to sum up the, to get this value 9.39. so likewise we first date and first non-blank, it will work based on the context. It gives this this is the month level, that is the reason we are getting the each month of the 1st, 7th month, 8th month, the 9th month, 10th. But when you see the year level, you will get the year level wise first date. Okay, so likewise it's working. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.